Hello folks, let me introduce you to my 3-book series, a cartoon look about the Schuylkill Expressway, titled Buckle Up. It's about the Philadelphia infamous landmark. Everybody knows and everybody has a story about the Schuylkill. In my 20 years of taking passengers to and from the Philly airport as an airport shuttle van driver, I've created many cartoons. My books are available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Tate Publishing Company, which is out of Oklahoma. Some of the cartoons you're viewing are from my 3rd book, which will be released later this year. Thanks a lot, and have a happy cartoon. This is as far as I go, sir. My tail gunner's mom won't let him downtown after dark.
Could you slow down, driver? We're going over 100.
Sorry, ma'am, but I ran out of gas 10 miles back. As JB and friend gets talked into a new parking service, they become victims of a new carjacking service.
I had a great time in Atlantic City. By the way, do you accept food stamps? So, watching the wrong rear again. You can try all your tricks, but you're still going to the dentist.
Next time we'll take a cab. Charge! Crater up ahead, sir.
Quit criticizing my driving, Clarence. Don't I have enough people on my back?
The traffic looks a little thin, sir. We should be there in no time flat.
Are you going to let him get away with that? You wimp. Oh, Mr. Migraine, Albert's tossing his science project out of the window again.